We've come up to Butser to see if there are any of the beacons visible from up here. And the first massive beacon, which is just setting now behind me, has given an awesome display. So, but there are hundreds of people here, it seems, and I don't know if they're just here to see if they can see the beacons in the distance, or if there's actually going to be a beacon here. So time will tell. Slightly dodgy for the drone, but I think if I keep my distances I'll be okay, because there's a field here that there's nobody in. So we found the beacon along with many other people. Now there's often discussion about what is a crowd and what isn't a crowd. Well, I can definitely say I think this is a crowd, which I'm certainly going to avoid. So I'm just trying to find a place to take off and land, and I want to be obviously 50 meters away from any uninvolved people, and I'll both take off and land at least 50 meters away. I'm going to be running in cine mode, which obviously is slow mode, and I really want to be, there's lots of fluorescent jackets here, council, all sorts of things, so I'm going to keep well away. So we're kind of away from the crowd of people now, and away from anybody going to walk past, and I'll put the drone in the air in a minute, but I'll keep it well away, because really I don't want anybody to be even noticing it. Really, I just want to be stealthy, so that if nobody notices, I'll get the shots, keep away from people, come and land, no hassle. I had to fly around to avoid the people, and I would never overfly a crowd, because that's one of the rules. Regardless of the weight of drone, you cannot overfly a crowd. A crowd of people can be 10 people in a garden, it might be 500 people in a playing field, but if they can't move away to avoid a drone, then it's considered a crowd. There's no set number. So what a wonderful evening. I was looking forward to seeing beacons all over the country, and I can see here probably for 30 miles in every direction, and I can see a massive beacon, and to be honest, that's about the level that I could see. Anyway, we'll see what the footage comes out like.